Hi, this is Chris with the Hypercats Network, and today I'm going to be showing you our new Picatinny rail Nerf rail adapter that is going to be available in our shop. This is a Nerf Recon. I mean, that is a pretty neat piece. But if I wanted to put a foregrip here, I'd want to have some other options for foregrip, or maybe like a laser sight instead of this red dot sight. Or a red dot sight on top, or like a scope. There's all kinds of different attachments for airsoft guns and military style guns. You can get those pretty inexpensive on Amazon or eBay, or even probably sporting goods stores. So here we have 3 different accessories that I picked up on Amazon. This one is a tactical foregrip, and this one is a red dot sight, and this one is a laser sight, a little on-off button. So the way to install these is just slide it right on, and there's 2 set screws, and those take either a 30 seconds or 2.5mm Allen wrench. And you just tighten this down. Until it's tight. There we go. Here I have a foregrip with the Picatinny or Weaver style rail attachment that I picked up on Amazon. Pretty inexpensive, but it doesn't really work on the Nerf style rail. So what we do is we take one of these, and this piece slides right on here, just like that. And on this one you can see that there's 2 set screws, and those set screws you tighten in to keep it from sliding back and forth. So what I would do is screw those in. That keeps this from sliding, and then you can take the foregrip and that slides right onto here. That just tightens that up. Now if I wanted something else, like a laser sight, this also has the Weaver Picatinny style rail, and this also just slides right on, and I can just put that right there, tighten that down, and now I've got a foregrip with a laser sight. So there you have it, the Nerf Picatinny rail adapters, and they're available in our shop in these 3 colors, and you can find our shop on our website at hypercats.net.